everyone, Petal is Les here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on to show you two Christmas decor ideas. So this is the items we're using for DIY number one. So we have this clear vase here, and I'll be using some of this flower bling wrap here. I call it a flower bling wrap. It's so super cute. And I'll be using some hot glue. So I just measured out the size that I want, and I'll be gluing it going around our vase. Hey everyone, on both of today's DIYs, I have some lovely Christmas bling that I got from Totally Dazzled, so I just want to share that with you guys. And here they are. Aren't they super cute? Oh my gosh. I love how they look. There's Christmas trees, there's Santa, there's joy, there's snowmen, the bells, and they do come in all the colors: the gold, silver, rose gold, bronze, antique gold. I think they're super cute, and I'll have the link for them down below so you guys can check them out and get some for your Christmas decor this Christmas season. So I'm just going to continue wrapping around our vase with our flower bling wrap. Okay, so I wrapped the three sides. So now I'm going to use one strip of our flower bling wrap and wrap the front of our vase on each side. So now it's time to add our bling from Totally Dazzled. And these are the ones that I'll be putting to the front of our vase. So I'm just going to line them up how I want them to go. There we go. So I'm just going to use some hot glue. You could use any adhesive that you would like to glue down your pieces on your decor. And here's our finished look. I like how it looks with the Christmas bling on it. I think it looks so nice. And I love how the flower bling wrap looks wrapped right around our vase. Doesn't that look nice? And here is our vase with some flowers inside. Now you can put any color flowers that you like for your Christmas season. I think it looks lovely. Makes a lovely vase for your Christmas decor this year, or even to gift as a gift to that special person on your Christmas list. A nice personalized gift is lovely. And these are the items we're using for DIY number two. So we have this vase here, this little small vase. And I have some red mirrored tiles. Don't they look cute in the red? So they come with a self-adhesive on the back. So we're just going to add them going right around our vase, in the center of our vase. Now I cut it in strips because the vase is square, so you cannot go right around. It won't measure up properly. So I'm doing it each section strip by strip. And now I'll be adding some of our glam chain using some E6000 going right around. And now it's time to add our Christmas bling. I'll be using these ones with the red in them to match our center mirrored tiles. They're also red. So again, I'm just going to place them in the center of each side of our vase. Okay, so now that's all done. I think it looks so super cute. We are going to add some Christmas balls to the bottom of our candle holder to use as legs. And here's our finished look. Doesn't it look super cute? OMG. I love using the Christmas balls as legs. And I love our bling from Totally Dazzle, our Christmas bling. Don't they look nice? And here we go with our candle inside our little glam Christmas candle holder. I love how this one turned out. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you today. 2 lovely Christmas decor that you could make for that special person on your Christmas list. And I do hope everyone will give me a thumbs up for today's video. And if you are not subscribed, I do hope you will hit that subscribe button and come back and see more of the videos that I have to share with you. And I do upload videos every Wednesday and Sunday. Alright everyone, thanks for coming on and seeing what I had to share with you today. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petal is Blessed. And I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.